Very good morning, students. Now see, I am going to continue the ant and the cricket. Okay? See, not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on the tree. As it was the season of winter and rainy, so he did not found a single crumb. Crumb here means roti ka tukda. ओके, अ पीस ऑफ ब्रेड. उसको एक रोटी का टुकड़ा भी नहीं मिल रहा था. नॉट अ स्नो कवर्ड ऑन द स्नो कवर्ड ग्राउंड बिकॉज द ग्राउंड वॉज कवरिंग टोटली विथ स्नो. नॉट अ फ्लावर कुड ही सी. इवन ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू सी अ सिंगल फ्लावर देयर. नॉट अ लीफ ऑन अ ट्री. ही डिड नॉट फाउंड एनी लीफ ऑन द ट्री ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट, oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? Now what will happen with me? The cricket become very frustrated. Now what should I do? It is a very bad condition for me because not a single piece of bread I am having. Okay, at last by starvation and famine made bold. Here starvation मतलब भूख, hunger, and famine मतलब भूख के मारे एक कंडीशन हो जाना, फेमाइन. मेड बोल्ड, बट उसकी भूख ने उसको बोल्ड बना दिया. इट मीन्स व्हाट ही हैज डन. सी, ऑल ड्रिपिंग विथ वेट एंड ऑल ट्रेम्बलिंग विथ कोल्ड. ही वॉज ट्रेम्बलिंग हियर मीन्स शिवरिंग. ही वॉज शिवरिंग विथ कोल्ड and dripping with wet. Okay, as it was rainy season, so he was dripping with wet. Away he set off a miserly ant. How are the ant? Ant is a miser animal. It means कंजूस. Here miserly ant, it means कंजूस. Okay, तो ऐसी हालात में, बारिश में भीगकर, shivering with cold, ऐसी हालात में he went to the that miserly ant. It means कंजूस ant. To see if to keep him alive he would grant him shelter from rain, a mouthful of grain. He requested the ant, please give me some grain because of cold and because of rain. Give me some shelter because I am shivering from cold and I am hungry too much. Okay, he wished only to borrow and just borrow it to me. It means I am not saying कि देकर भूल जाना है. I will borrow you, मैं उसको वापस कर दूंगा. Are you getting my point here? He wish only to borrow. आज मुझे दे दो, उधार दे दो, कल मैं वापस कर दूंगा. And what he is asking for borrow? He is asking some grains. उसको उधार में क्या चाहिए था? Some grains. He would repay it tomorrow. कल जाके जैसे ही उसके पास थोड़े ग्रेन्स आ जाएंगे, he would repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. अगर आज उसको वो ग्रेन्स नहीं मिले, he will die due to starvation and sorrow. Now see, here is the silly cricket. Okay, careless cricket. You can see here a cricket is there. Here that smart ant is there. Okay, and now see, you can see here, says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. The ant says to him, yes, I am your servant and a friend, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. But हम ants ऐसी है जो किसी से कुछ लेती भी नहीं है और किसी को कुछ देती भी नहीं है. This is our principle. Okay, what the ant is saying to him, this is our principle. We'll never borrow and we never lend. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? Quoth the cricket, no, I. लेकिन फिर भी आंट ने उसको पूछा कि जब वेदर अच्छा था, व्हेन वेदर वॉज वार्म, डोंट यू स्टोर एनीथिंग, तब तूने कुछ भी स्टोर करके नहीं रखा? द क्रिकेट से नो, आई डिड नॉट. देन what happened next? My heart was so light that I sang day and night. What the cricket is now? The cricket is making some foolish excuses. What the cricket is saying to the aunt? My heart was so light. I was so happy. My heart was so light. It means I was so happy, merrily, and because of that happiness, I sang day and night. I was just singing day and night. For all nature looked gay, you sang, sir, you say. It means when the nature was look with gay, gay here means grass. Okay? And you just sang. Okay, it means the nature was full of grass and you just sang. Folks thus ending, see, go then, says the aunt, and dance the winter away. Okay, now you didn't gather anything now, so go away from here and just dance in winter. Thus ending, he hastily it means hurriedly, lifted the wicket and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Folks call this a fable. I will warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. Here this is the poem adopted from Aesop's fables. Some fables are true, some are not true. Okay, and here the poet is saying the aunt warned the cricket, so go away and dance, because you are very careless, you are very foolish person. Now just dance merrily, don't do anything. We are not going to give you a single scrap, a single piece of bread or any grain. We are not going to give you. Now see, end of the story. See these 4 lines. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Folks call this a fable. लोग ऐसा कहते हैं, this is a fable. Fable means imagination. Okay, not true, not too much true, or everything is not true. But I will warrant it true. But according to the poet, this is a true story. This was happened with the aunt, how the cricket went to the aunt and how he asked for the grain, and the aunt was very miserly, and in the miserness the aunt denied to give him any grain or anything. Okay, and the cricket, and they knock out the cricket out of the door. Okay, and what happened next? The cricket, due to starvation, the cricket was requesting to the aunt, please give me some grain, but the aunt did not accept him. Okay, and the cricket was actually requesting them to borrow, कि आज उधार दे दो, मैं आपको बाद में कर चुका दूंगा, जो भी होगा I will give you, just borrow me some grains. But the aunt refused his offer totally. The aunt were not able to help him. It is because he was lazy, he was he was foolish. The whole summer he just enjoyed, he was singing the song merrily, and he was not able to gather any or able to store food properly. Okay, now here some words are there, some glossary meanings are there. accustomed to sing. It means used to singing, in the habit of singing. Famine, it means scarcity of food. Scarcity, it means what you can say, rarely you got the food. Scarcity. Having nothing to eat. In simple language, scarcity, it means having nothing to eat. Lay nothing by, it means save nothing. The cricket did not lay nothing by, it means he saved nothing. Quoth, quoth in Old English, it means said. To quoth, Quoth, it means to said. Now okay, we are going to stop here and take care of you.